Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to find a profile's followers on the Instagram app, this time using your PC. If you're someone who manages their Instagram account from a larger screen or just prefers using a computer, this updated method is for you. So let's get started and make it super simple. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, just head over to the Microsoft Store, search for Instagram, and download the official app. Log into your account with your usual username and password. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice that the PC app interface looks clean and easy to navigate. Now it's time to find the profile you want to check. You can use the search bar at the top. Just type the username of the account you're interested in. As you type, Instagram will suggest profiles. Click on the correct account from the list to open their profile page. On their profile, you'll see a few counters near the top, such as posts, followers, and following. To see who follows this account, click on the number or the word followers. This brings up a complete list of accounts that follow the profile you're viewing. You can scroll through the list and explore each profile directly from here. This is really helpful for understanding audience engagement or simply out of curiosity. If you're managing your own profile, this is also where you keep track of your growing fan base. Remember, depending on the account's privacy settings, you may only see the full list if the profile is public, or if you already follow them and they've accepted your follow request. If the account is private and you don't follow it, you won't have access to their followers list. That's all it takes. You've now learned how to easily find and view a profile's followers on the Instagram app using your PC. Whether you're doing a quick check or managing multiple accounts, these steps make the process fast and hassle-free. Thanks for watching.